Most beginners on FeetFinder upload one random photo, wait, and then get frustrated when nothing happens. If that's been you, you're not failing, you're just missing how this actually works. Because the creators who sell faster and earn consistently aren't lucky, they're intentional. Today I'll show you why some feet photos sell fast, why some profiles turn into brands, and exactly how to set yourself up the right way. Feet photos sell faster when they meet buyers' expectations instantly. Buyers decide in seconds. If a photo feels unclear, low effort, or random, they scroll. What sells faster? Clear focus and good lighting, clean, intentional presentation, accurate titles and tags, content aligned with specific buyer interests, not perfect feet, clear value. Here's the crossover most people miss. Even when beginners know what sells, they still stall because of mindset. The biggest mistake new creators make isn't the pricing. It isn't even the photos. It's treating this like a little quick side hustle rather than a real brand. That leads to inconsistent posting, random content, no buyer interaction, and eventually, no repeat sales. Buyers aren't just buying photos, they're buying trust, consistency, and connection. Side hustle mindset says, I'll post when I feel like it and hopefully it works. Business mindset says, I show up, so it works. You're not selling feet pics, you're running a digital product business. Your content is the product, your profile is the storefront, and your buyers are your customers. FeetFinder is a secure marketplace specifically for buying and selling feet content. You create a profile, add details buyers search for like shoe size, polish, or themes, upload photos or short clips. Buyers find you through filters or categories. Purchases are secure and you get paid. Here's a beginner shortcut that most people skip. Spend time on the FeetFinder homepage. You'll see verified sellers, trending content, popular categories, free content examples, member features. It's a live roadmap of what's working right now. You don't need expensive gear, you need understanding. 3 content styles buyers respond to. Angle shots, soles, arches, toes, side views. Lifestyle shots, couch vibes, sneakers, coffee moments. Action clips, removing socks, toe movement, walking shots. Movement and variety create personality. You don't need full-time hours, you need consistency. 1 day a week, batch shoot. 3 days a week, predictable posting. 10 minutes a day, buyer engagement. Replying to messages isn't extra, that's revenue. To stand out long-term, choose a recognizable vibe. Stick to a posting rhythm, engage buyers consistently. When buyers recognize your style, trust your consistency, and feel the connection, they come back. That's how profiles turn into brands. Pricing isn't guessing, it's testing. FeetFinder's valuation tool helps beginners estimate content value and remove uncertainty. One less decision means more action. More action means more sales. Fast sales come from clear presentation. Consistent income comes from systems. Long-term success comes from branding and trust. Quick cash mindset creates quick quitters. A business mindset creates repeat buyers. If you treat this like something that can pay you, it will. If you're ready to start correctly, head over to FeetFinder, create your profile, and post with intention. Subscribe for more real strategies, and in the next video, I'll break down the valuation tool step by step so you can maximize your results in 2026.